Here I am with the Redmi 13C, and on the left side there's the POCO C65, and I'm going to show you the launcher comparison between these two devices. So if you wonder how it looks for the POCO launcher and the Redmi launcher comparison, just take a look. So first I'm going to start from this upper bar on the home settings, and let's see if these phones have the same shortcuts. As you can see right now everything looks the same. Now we can click to edit buttons and check if maybe there's some other options not available at the first look. No, there's both versions the same. There's both options the same. Now let's go into the app drawer, and that's how it looks. When you click on the settings in the app drawer, we can find the app suggestions, manage app categories, backgrounds, scroll bar, but there's on the POCO actually option to hide app icons and group icons by the color, and also change the animation color category. So right here we've got a little bit more personalization options on the POCO C65. And now let's go into the settings. Let's scroll down. Okay, everything is the same from the settings. Now we can go into the home screen, click and hold with on the empty space, and let's see if there's like any different screen settings. There's the transition effects, set default screen, home screen layout, fill cells of uninstalled apps, lock home screen layout, and the more options. And in the more we can actually find the first difference, that on the Redmi 13C we can actually turn off the app drawer, so it looks like this, but on the POCO we actually cannot do this. There's also -1 screen on the POCO, on the Redmi, and we can set between the Google Discover and the App Vault, or turn off both of these options. And on the POCO we can actually turn off the App Vault. So on the POCO we cannot get the Google Discover, we can only get the App Vault, but on the Redmi 13C we can actually get it. Next we've got the system navigation. We can also fill the cells. There's also one difference on the POCO, the additional option to double tap to lock screen. So we can double tap on the screen and lock the phone. We can show memory status, and we got also the about option at the bottom. So now when I click right here, we can see our memory in the right upper corner. These options are the same on the both devices. Unfortunately we cannot open the split screen mode, but I find the big difference in the YouTube, that you can actually get the picture in the picture mode when you open any video. So now when you, let's open the video, not the live, like this, and now let's wait for this ad. There we go. And now when I click like this, I can actually get this YouTube in the picture mode. But now it's, for some reason it doesn't work, but previously I just turned it into the picture in the picture, but now it doesn't work. That's strange. So let me show you. There was in the settings the picture. Yeah, there it is, the picture in the picture, and I just enable it for the YouTube, and let's see if we can actually find it on the POCO. Yeah, that's also the same option available, but it doesn't work right now. Okay, so yeah, that's all the comparison of the launcher between the Redmi 13C and the POCO C65. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.